Okay, I had to get in the shade to take video of the inside. It's super bright out. As you can see, it's a beautiful interior. The cloth seats are very nice. Carpet, all nice. The dash, very nice. Of course, I got lots of pictures of it too. So there's very little wear on any of the components on the inside. Headliner, very nice. Let me go to the other side. Oh, by the way, here's the bed. Look how nice it is. Alright, I don't mean to be flipping the camera around, but I'm kind of in a narrow spot. Trying to get in the shade. So, if you look at all the little handles, there's really no wear spots anywhere in this truck. It does have backup camera. Very nice interior.